Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix media offline in DaVinci Resolve. But for that, first go to your browser, just type in Handbrake, and open up this first link. We're going to be downloading this software. So just download this and install it, and this is what it looks like, okay? Now, before we proceed, let me just explain what's actually going on. The issue that is happening in DaVinci is because of codec issues, okay? So we need to change the codec of our file. I can choose here, open a single video file. And for example, I'll just go ahead and pick this video. I'll open this up and there we go. So it is basically uploading. And now all we need to do is make sure that the codec is in, 264, okay? H264. Sometimes even if your original file is in that format, okay, just encode it and it will work. Make sure the frames actually match the video, okay? And if you can, make it MP4 format and then just go ahead and start encoding it. And it's really that easy and simple. It will actually work when you bring the encoded file in to DaVinci Resolve. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.